So hey everyone, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily problem, which is the 884, which is uncommon words from two sentences. So a sentence is a string of a single space separated words where each word consists only of lowercase letters. A word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in one of the sentences and does not appear in other sentences. So we have given two sentences S1 and S2. We have to return a list of all the uncommon words. You may return the answer in any order. So let's look at the example. So we have given S1, this apple is sweet. We have given S2, this apple is sour. So the output is sweet and sour. How it is happening? So we have to like the string which is twice or like yeah which is twice in the strings s1 or s2 or in just s1, okay, or in just s2, the string which is twice, we will not return that string. The string which is single in both the linked list, both the strings. Let's suppose, yeah, here we have sweet which is single times, we have sour which is single times, okay. So we will be returning sweet and sour. If we had sweet in this string once again, okay, so we would not be returning this string. So it doesn't mean that we are checking the occurrence of string in both the string. We are also checking the occurrence of string in the same string, okay. So like if it is twice, then we will not return this, but if it is single here or here, or we have like if we combine both the string and we will getting a string like let's suppose mango which is single, by adding both the string still we are getting this single time, so we will return this, okay. So this way we are gonna return the output. So we have the explanation. The word sweet appears only in S1, and while the other sour appear only in S2, so we will be returning S2. So let's look at one more example. We have S1 apple and apple, okay, and we have S2 banana. As you can see, apple is the occurrence of apple in even in S1, just S1, like we don't need to include S2. But yeah, if we see in S1, still we have occurrence of apple two times, but occurrence of banana in S2 is two times, with just one time. If we combine both the string, still we have one time the occurrence of banana, okay. So what we gonna do? We are gonna use unordered map. Why unordered map? Unordered map is basically a data structure which is used to store the occurrence of any key value pair. Okay, so key may be string, character, or like anything special character, whatever. So we will be using unordered maps. Let's look at the example here. So let's suppose we have like we have unordered map, okay, unordered map, okay, unordered map. Let's suppose this we have unordered map and we have apple, okay. The first apple came, the occurrence is one, okay. Right now we are here. Let's suppose we have to add both the string, okay, because we have to know the occurrence of particular string in combining in both the string, okay. So if it is one, we will be returning that. So we have added both the string. Now what we gonna do? We are looking at apple first. So when we added apple, we will be getting the occurrence is one. Now we are here. And the iterator is here. So we are getting again apple. So occurrence of apple will be two. Now banana came. So banana will be stored here in our roadmap, and the occurrence is one. Now our iteration is ended here, okay, iteration is ended here. So what we gonna return? We will be checking it dot second, okay. What it dot second demonstrate? It dot second demonstrate the values of key, okay, corresponding to key we have values 2. So we will be checking if it is equal 1. If it is equal 1, we will be storing in the form of vector. Okay. So because at the end we will be returning vector of string. That's the reason we are storing in the form of vector. So this way we are gonna solve this question. So first the main logic is here. Like we have to store in the form of unordered map. So we are returning vector of string. We have a helper function uncommon from sentences. We are passing, we have s1, we have s2, and this is the vector of string answer which we will be returning at the end. Now we have like S1 plus S2. We are adding both the string, and what thing divide the both the string? The gap which is in the form of inverted commas. Okay, so this is we have the string. Why we are using this string? We will be using P to extract string from the temp. Okay, P we will be using to extract string from temp and storing in vector. So this way we are gonna do this. Now we are iterating a for loop till the temp dot size. So we will be going like s1 plus s2, like both the string total size. We will going till the end. We will be checking if temp of I equal gap. Okay. So if we have gap, we will be incrementing map. Okay. So like why when we will be getting gap when we let's suppose we have app is a string. Next we have a small gap. Okay, next we have, okay, let me show with a small example. Okay, let's suppose we have I am. I is a particular string, M is a particular string. Okay, so I am Zam. Okay, we have this string. So as you can see, this initially it came here and the condition is false, it will go in else part. So in P it will be added I. Okay, now it is here, it will check the gap. Okay, now it is true. When the gap is true, MPP of P plus plus, so in map it will be stored, I is stored and the occurrence is 1. Okay, and again P is initialized as empty. Now P is empty, so there is nothing. Now again next from next index it will start. Okay, now it will check this condition is false. It will go else P plus equal to temp of I. Now A is stored. Now again it will see there is M, so it will false. Then M is stored. Okay. Now then the condition will be true, and it will be like in map it will be incrementing plus plus. So M will be stored and plus plus 1 will be stored there. Okay. Similarly, Zan and 1 will be there. This way, this for loop will run. Now we have MPP plus plus at the end because we will be like this is the last element. Okay, we Zan is there. Okay, the next element, the next thing is we have like the time dot size. This condition will be false, so it will go. It will come out from the for loop. So we have to add this Zan also. So when we come out the for loop, we will have MPP P plus plus. So this then will be stored in the map also, and the occurrence is also there. Occurrence will be incremented. Now what we gonna do? We have stored everything in the form of map. Now we have for loop, which is an iterator, which is iterating to the map, and we'll be checking if it dot second. This is it dot second, and this is it dot first. So we will be checking if it dot second is equal 1. Okay, if it is equal 1, then we will be storing in answer. Okay, then we will be storing in answer pushback it dot first, where we what we gonna store, this thing we are gonna store in answer, and this thing we are gonna check in the condition. Okay, so like this way we are gonna solve this, and this will iterate complete to the map, and at the end we will be returning to the answer.